Hi guys, today we're taking a look at my at-home IPL hair removal device. So you can see itself, it is a really great size, just fits into your hand great. If you're unfamiliar with using these devices, the flash that's going to essentially remove your hair is going to be up top here. The main button is up front, so you will click that when you're applying it to your desired location. You can really use this anywhere on your body, legs, armpit, even facially, but you are gonna wanna make sure that you have freshly shaven and that you are wearing the sunglasses. These actually come with it. It does come with a little razor itself. I like to use my own personally, but nice that it does come with that itself. This can even be used on sensitive skin. You will want to start with the lower level settings if it's your first time using, and then kind of progressively work your way up. You are going to want to use it more frequently too at the beginning, and then you can kind of deplete the level of usage after a few weeks of use too, just because you want to get your initial hair removed, and then it's more like upkeep after that. So I'm going to show a little bit as to how to use it in the next clip here, but I also just want to emphasize too, there is a cooling button at the side here, which is so nice. It instantly cools down. So because it's going to emit that kind of high frequency flash, sometimes that emits a little bit of heat. So if you're feeling like I want to cool down, that is where that comes in really great. I would not recommend this for anybody with like silver or white hair, as well as redheads, or if your skin is super dark. It works best on mid-tones as well as mid-tone hair. You can be kind of like a lighter brown all the way through kind of a dark brown. It does actually give you a scale on the box to kind of refer to see if this would be a good option for you. But let's take a look at it in action here. So first off, put your sunglasses on and make sure it's plugged in. I am just at the beginning stages of using this, so I'm using it on the lower setting. You can kind of hear the level of sound that it makes while it's plugged into, which is kind of nice. It runs pretty quietly, I must say. I am just going through, it takes me about a good 8 minutes to do my leg. If you're covering a bunch of different areas, just reserve some time to do that. You can use it in a manual mode or auto mode, kind of depending on what your preference is. The screen itself, super easy to read. When you change settings to it, we'll let you know on screen here. It's also indicating too how many flashes are remaining. So it comes with 999,000 with 900 on there. So you will be going through each flash as you use it. And then you can see ice mode here as well. I wanted to add a little bit of cooling for best healing. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.